In this video, we are going to go and tell you all about Hen House and see what we got in our mystery pack. So let's check it out together. Hey everybody, welcome back to Local Love, What I Think. All right, so we're going to do another unboxing. It's another mystery pack. It's from henhaus. And as I did in the previous ones, I got 2 of them so that we can see if there's any kind of duplications or what have you. So yeah, these are great. They've got some little stickers on the back. Please do not bend. And I paid about $3 a piece for each of these packets. Now, what is henhaus? henhaus, they deal in stickers, they deal in enamel pins, they deal in a variety of things. So make sure that you check them out. I will put their information on the screen for you so that you can go and check out their Etsy store and see for yourself. Because again, this is from Winter Springs, Florida. So you know that we will be supporting Central Florida businesses, and that is always a good thing. All right, so let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, right? Let's go with this one. Wow, that created a lot of glare, and I'm sorry. Turn it over. Okay, so let's open it up and see what we got here. Sticky, sticky. All right, so it looks like first off we got a thank you. It says, thank you for supporting local artists, especially this local artist. And if you think my stuff is kind of cool, please leave a review at henhaus.shop. No pressure, but I know where you live. Very, very funny, very, very clever. I love it. So make sure you go to henhaus.shop if you want to get in on it. And let's see here. That's very clever. I like it. And here's some of their other contacts as well. So we don't even have to put it on the screen. We'll just put it right here. So there you go. That is how you get a hold of them on Twitter and on Instagram. So make sure you check out henhaus. Very cool little shop, actually. I love local artists and I love everything they stand for and do. So that's cool. So let's see what all we got here. Ooh, first of all, I got a sticker. I love this. It's a zombie hand, a pointed, like a fingers crossed zombie hand in purple. Very, very cool. I like it. I like it a lot. So let me set that off to the side. And it looks like we have another little batch in here. And that's actually an extra because I was only supposed to get, well, no, I think I'm supposed to get 2 items for my $3, which you didn't know what you were going to get, whether you're getting stickers or what you were getting. But let's just open this up and take a look. Comes all bubble wrapped nicely. And okay, so let's see here. Let's see, I'm gonna put this in the container or it's gonna fly away. All right, guys. So, oh wow, these are great. Look at, I got enamel pins. Let me get them into the light a little bit maybe. I don't know, maybe that is not better. Put them closer. We got a little witchy girl. I don't know if you can quite make out her little pointy cap. Let me take it out of the plastic. It'll be a little easier to see that way, I think. Wow, very cool, very cool. Yeah, let's get it out of the plastic so it can breathe. Oh, and it's sparkly. Oh, neat. So the little band on her hat is very sparkly. Let me see if I can catch. Well, there's not a lot of sun going on right at oh, there we go. So you can see it's sparkly. And this is like a mouth eating a heart. So I guess it's like an eat your heart out kind of thing. And this cool little sassy witch. That's what I'm going to call her. And of course they have the rubber stops on the back so that you can tack them into your clothes or your jacket or your hats or whatever you want. These are really nice for what I paid, $3. Come on, I got 2 of these for $3 and a cool sticker to boot. I am excited. Now I'm ready to open that second pack. I'm really, really stoked to see what we got. That is a bargain. I might have to get some more of these because I love enamel pins. I mean, they're always a cool thing to add to your purse or your jacket, and they're awesome. Okay, there we go. All right, so that is one pack down. So that's what we got in our first pack. And the other one came in a separate envelope, which a lot of people didn't do it that way. So I was kind of intrigued to see that they actually did send it to me in 2 separate envelope type, you know, like these bubble wrap mailers. Very cool. All right, so let's go on to package number 2 for Henhaus. And I hope I'm saying that right. It's probably Henhaus. I'm sure it's Henhaus, and I've been saying Henhaus. And I'm pretty sure that's like the German pronunciation of house. So I'm sure it's Henhaus. All right, so of course, again, we got another thank you note, which was very nice. The exact same one, in fact. Got another business card here. Same exact stuff there. Oh, and a sticker. Oh, and it's a similar sticker, but it's in a different color. Oh, yeah, baby. That's cool. I think I might have to print both of these on my laptop or something. Very, very neat. And you know what? They're actually really nice, too. They're actually a really good sticker. They're not crappy. They're shiny. Very, very cool. All right, so the sticker out of the way. Let's see what this little packet holds. And that sticker, I think, is really just a bonus because I was only supposed to get 2 items per pack. Actually, I think these counted as 1 item, but I don't know. I'll have to double check that, but I believe... Oh, and it's more pins. Yes. Okay, so let's see what we got here. I'm going to just take them out of the packet. We've learned that you can't see them very well unless they're out of this packet. So let's do that. Okay. All right. So it says, just laugh at my jokes and we'll be fine. Oh, this is so cute. All right, so first of all, we have this one that says, just laughed at my jokes and we'll be fine. And then we have what looks like, what's definitely a skull, because you can see the little teeth with the little heart eyes, but it's got a leaf up here, so I'm guessing it's supposed to be like a lemon skull. Very, very, very cool. I am loving it. These are really nice quality, too. They're heavy-ish. You know, they're not so heavy that they're going to weigh your clothes down when you wear them. But they're sturdy. They're not junk. I mean, I don't know how good you can see them to see how good quality these pins are. I mean, that one is nice and thick. So is this one. These are very, very nice. All right. So Henhaus, now that I'm saying it correctly, I apologize if you watch this Henhaus and I said your name wrong. But very, very neat. So was it worth it? Absolutely. This was a great deal. In fact, I think I'm going to go in immediately and can maybe get a couple more of these mystery packs because this was a great deal. So for $6, we got, you know, $6 and then we paid taxes, of course, because, you know, you have to do that. It's a thing. We got 4 pins, 2 stickers, and the experience of shopping from a small local business. I mean, baby, you can't ask for much more than that, all right? That is a good thing. Well, I'm really excited. This was great. So make sure, guys, if you agree that these were wonderful, that you go and check out their store. They have a lot of variety of stuff. Very cool. I think you'll like everything they have. And yeah, let them know when you go over there that Local Love sent you and told you how great they were, because I'm in love. Honestly, they may be one of my new shops, you know? When I start shopping for things like this is where I'm going to head first. That was a bargain. Now, they have other stuff that aren't mystery packs so that you can go in and actually pick it. And what I love is this little sticker looks like the young lady that runs Henhaus. So very, very cool. So she really went all out with her branding. I love the branding on this. I think it's very sleek and very sophisticated, but yet she has, you know, a lot of cuteness too. But this looks just like the girl. So that's pretty dope. I don't know what else to tell you guys. If you don't see the bargain in that, maybe you're not an enamel pin person, but still go over and check out what they're doing in their store, because she has lots of other things and there might be something there that you will really be into. So other than that, guys, that's it. That's pretty much where we're at. So $6. And again, that was a total of 4 pins, 2 stickers, and shopping local. You gotta love it. All right, guys, well, that's what I think. I think it was a thumbs up on this end. Very good deal. Very high quality for what I paid. $6. Come on, these were wonderful. All right, so I hope that you agree. And guys, if you like the unboxings that we've been doing, make sure that you drop us a quick thumbs up and let us know. We want to know that you guys are enjoying what we're doing. We hope that you are so that we can keep doing it. If not, maybe we should switch to some other stuff. So let us know. Also, go ahead and subscribe if you're not, because we got new things coming out and we want you guys to be a part of them. So go ahead and subscribe. If you want all of our notifications, make sure you click that too, because we don't want you to lose us. You know how that happens on YouTube. Sometimes we get lost. Don't lose me. I want you to stay with me. So at any rate, guys, other than that, I just want to thank you guys as always for watching. We certainly appreciate it. I hope that you guys are having an absolutely wonderful day. And you know the deal. Peace. Until next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.